Welcome back to Dum Biryani. What do you think of the name?
It's a dumb name.
It's a dumb name.
Very dumb name. And if this show doesn't turn out right for you guys, you're stuck with this name.
Yeah, forever.
Dumb and Dummers.
Dumb's kind of like dumb.
And we're the dumbest for doing this.
Dumb biryani. Yeah. We don't know how it's going to taste and how it's going to be. Like.
I'm telling you awful. Right now I'm telling you awful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the point of the show, though. It has to be awful.
Really.
Control chaos.
You managed that really well. Really, really well. I mean, like, you arrived. Arrived.
We have arrived.
The dumbest thing to do ever.
Beautiful.
Correct?
I love it.
No, so Chachu, before this, we were with Dad and Soul Papa, and we had a really insightful conversation.
Yeah. What did they say?
Just, the things that they say. We just spoke about growing up, what it was like for you, growing up alongside them, and just brotherhood, the power of brotherhood, just having, like, do you see that with us over here? Like, how the way there was you, Dad, and Soul Papa. I consider these two over here my brothers too. So, like, how important is it to have, like, people like this to grow up with alongside you?
See, with
And
the
trusting
brothers,
the
Arbaz, me and Sohail, we've all grown up together. And I mean, like, Sohail is 50-something, I'm 58. Your father is 57. So, it's just that growing up, we've had a fair share of fights. But the thing was, Dad was sorted out the next day. Your father takes the longest time.
So he holds on to things very heavy on his heart.
Yeah. So he does that. But Sohail and me and Alvira, Arpita, we all grew up together. But, my friends, like there's Nads, and then there's Robin, and then after I joined the film industry, there's Sajid, and there was a friend of mine, Sadiq. So all these friends have still been there. There's a friend of mine from Sindhya School, Senior, Pratap, and then there's JD. So this is what you need to achieve with your friends that, I don't see them very often.
Mm-hmm.
But whenever we meet, like the other day I met a college friend of mine, Prakash Giri. We just bonded. I met him after like some 35 years. Yeah, well, but we connected on the same page. I mean, it was not, okay, oh, what's up, how's it going? I mean, straight out.
You've been around the last 35 years. It's just understood.
He's there in Nepal, he's working. Like there's Amit Ashar, who was in school with me. He's a photographer here. The amazing thing is that he's a photographer here, and not once have I worked with him, and not once has he called me, let's work together. Nothing. It's just that he does his own thing, I do my own thing. There's another boy from Rehan, his name is Rehan Khan from Sindhya. So we're all in touch whenever we need anything. There's a friend of mine who came close to me just after Maine Pyar Kiya, when I was doing Sanam Befa. At that point in time, he gave me 15,000 rupees. When 15,000 rupees was really, really for something I needed it, and some shopping we're doing in Manali, and I said, shit, I'd like this, and I didn't have, so he gave it to me at that point in time, and we've been friends ever since. But this is the thing, I mean, you guys are too young right now. I mean, there are lots of friends who will come and go, those are hardly, and the friends who always want something or the other from you, expect things, those people should not be around. I mean, it should be like there should be no demands and no needs and no wants, there's nothing selfish about the friendship. Like there's Nads, who's CCEEO of SKTV. So we've been together, and the amazing thing was that when we were growing up, our friends became Dad's friends, Dad friends became our friends, and a lot of people we let go also from our lives, who we after giving them one too many chances that badal jayega, badal jayegi, badal jayega, badal jayegi, nahi badalte wo, then you
Up to some point,
just let them go. और उनका जिक्र भी नहीं करना चाहिए. When you meet them, hey, what's up, hi buddy, how's it going? Don't have any malice in your heart against these people, because everyone has their own life journey, everyone has their own point of views, their own raw in life, you know. So they do their thing, and you should let them do. Should let them go. You should let them do their own thing, and never say कि ये इसने हमें betray कर दिया, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, क्योंकि आपने उनको इतना trust किया है, तो उसने उस trust का फायदा उठा लिया. And then there are people who you can trust blindly, and they will never take advantage of you. Very few people. So you need to differentiate who is that. And some people after 19, 20 years, you will get to know कि यार ये तो हमें बेवकूफ़ी बना रहा था all throughout. Yeah. So
Because when an opportunity arises, when they need their own gain over yours.
yeah. So they will play it. But I mean, this is the right age, you know, for you guys to. How long have you guys known each other?
We go, what, 10 years now?
So very long I've known him.
I mean, speaking of like all these long-term friendships, I was talking to Sohail uncle, and he said he's just now come on social media. Do you use social media a lot to stay in touch with these friends of yours that you've known?
No. I use the phone.
Straight.
I don't use straight. I use the phone. I message. I pick up the call, and usually the calls are like very random at any given point of time. याद आ गई तो phone उठा के phone कर लिया करो.
I think those are the best times.
Seeing your friends like grow and have families and like have a whole different life from when you all grow up and you always just like.
Because then their families also become a part of our families. Like Sajid has got Sufyan and Subhan. You know, they're like Chachu. They're like you guys.
Yeah.
So it's good. I mean, they all moved on and they have their families and their lives. And now, I mean, what is the point in doing this? And
It was just three of us. We were like.
no, you're not the stupid ones. We are.
At
We
least
are-
someone will take
we
the
are-
blame if we screw up.
We are.
Thank you, Chachu,
We
for
are.
doing the fall
We
back.
are for doing this. I remember when I was growing up. I was very clear what I wanted to be. I wanted to be a director. I used to model, and then after that, direction. Nobody gave me. So I used to write at that point in time. Still do, but then because I want to be a director, so I used to write as well. Nobody gave me a job of a director. Say, "Bacha kya?" I was 17 years old. "Ye bacha kya director rehega?" So every place that I went to, they say, start acting. So then what I started doing, I started making videos with Nasir and Nazim and Kazim, Dhoni Chacha's sons. And in those videos, I was not the comedian. I was not the villain. I was the hero.
Yeah.
What do you want to be?
Me?
Uh,
Whatever you want me to be.
I don't know. Right now, it looks like you want to be a journalist, an interviewer,
It's just
podcaster. What? I mean, if you want to be a hero,
It's a passing passion. Like, we all thought we found something common. And we always like, let's do this. When is the next time we're going to get to see each other? He goes off to the US. He goes to LA.
He has a flight tonight.
He has
so basically memories for you.
Memory.
your-
memories. Like,
Oh,
mainly for ourselves. Like, just create memories. Because that's the only thing that's going to be left behind at the end of the day.
Hopefully our kids. Hopefully our friends.
Yeah.
if time है मुझे भी time है अब और ज़्यादा time है.
Kids.
No rush. No rush.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was,
पहले तो ये सब हिंदी में करो आप लोग.
हिंदी इन लोग को आता नहीं है.
हिंदी इन लोग का आता नहीं है.
enough.
हिंदी बहुत खराब है.
हिंदी बहुत खराब है.
अच्छा.
अभी जो भी बोलो यहाँ पे मैं तुम्हारा हिंदी ठीक करेंगा.
Hindi class right there. Hindi tutoring.
Back to school.
Back to school.
गोलमाल
That was good reference.
चले गुड रिप्लाई. बहुत अच्छा रिप्लाई था. अब यहाँ से जो भी होगा हिंदी में होगा.
Fine. I'll just go for it.
बस खत्म हो गया.
और बोलने का नहीं. मेरा मुंह बंद.
fired.
Language barrier.
You should be ashamed of yourself that तुमको हिंदी नहीं आती. You need to cater to the audience जो कि पूरा हिंदी बोलता है.
Yeah.
समझा? वो हिंदी ऑडियंस के लिए. लेकिन ये आप लोग तो अपने खुद के लिए कर रहे हो ना, किसी को दिखाने के लिए तो कर नहीं रहे हो.
It's going on YouTube.
Suppose it.
I'm trying to make money. Oh,
Make money out there.
oh no.
This is not a step towards career. This is
No step.
This is a step backwards from career.
And we're fine with
What
that.
do you want to do with your life?
Director actually.
Your director, cholo, he's okay doing this. What do you